Hello, welcome to Parkway Elementary, home of the Pirates, where all children are treasured. I am LaTanya Green, the proud principal of Parkway Elementary. Joining me today, I have my lovely assistant principal, Mrs. Heather Belitho. Miss Davia Clark is our data specialist. Miss Chandra Saylor is our executive secretary, and Miss Edie Mastriani is our clerk, front office clerk. This is our lovely front office staff. If you ever have a question or if you're in need of, want to share a concern, these are the ladies that you will go to. Go Pirates!
Go Pirates!
All right, to our future Pirates and our returning Pirates, you have met our front office staff and you had a chance to look inside of our front office. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on a virtual tour of Parkway Elementary. Again, remember, we're the home of the Pirates, where all children are treasured. So join me on this virtual tour as we show you the beauty and the inside of Parkway Elementary. For some of you may remember that our blue hallway used to be home to our fifth graders and our kindergarten students and a few other children. But this year we've made a little change. This year our beautiful blue hallway will be home to our students with disabilities, our volunteer pre-K students, our kindergarten students, and our first grade students. So just a little tweak for those of you that are familiar with the school and some new information for those of you that will be joining us. So again, our front office and our beautiful blue hallway.
While we're here, why don't we go check out one of the rooms in the kindergarten hallway? One of the highlights of open house is being able to come in and meet your teacher and see your kids' classroom. And we are sorry that we don't get to do that this year, but we would love to show you one of our classrooms here at Parkway. I'm standing here in a kindergarten classroom. One of the great things about Parkway is our rooms are really spacious. We have room for small group instruction, we have room for carpet time, for stories, we have flexibility with our desks. We know that in the coming school year, some of that seating and all of those arrangements might look a little bit different. You'll be able to get more information about that from the St. Lucie Public Schools website. We all know that things are going to look different when students return, but here's what we know for certain. We have teachers who sincerely care about your kids. You have an administration and an entire school team that cares about their learning and their experience here at Parkway. We still have laptops, we have tons of manipulatives, we have a lot of amazing learning opportunities, and we cannot wait, whether it's virtually or in person. We can't wait to get our kids back in classrooms here at Parkway. So one of the most important places in any school is the cafeteria. We serve breakfast and lunch here every day here in the Pirate Cafe.
And if you're wondering how we're going to ensure that social distancing is occurring and at the same time that your child will be enjoying lunch while they're here in the Pirates Cafe, please make sure you refer to our video that will be loaded on the St. Lucie Public Schools website to ensure our students' safety. So the next stop on our tour will be by our marvelous Media Center, where students have an opportunity to come here and check out books, really get into their reading, explore about more topics that they're learning in their classrooms, and they get a chance to learn about some cool things on our computers. I'm going to share this time with Mrs. Belitho, where she can share more with us about the things that happen in our Media Center.
Here at Parkway, we know that reading is not only essential to academic success, but reading can and also should be fun. We have a huge media center where we have a ton of books at so many different levels for all interests, for all different kids. We are excited because not only do kids visit when they come with their class regularly for their resource, but they also are encouraged to visit throughout the day. When they finish a book, we want them to come back and get another one. If they're reading a book that they don't like or that's too hard or too easy, return it and get another one. We know that reading is something that's important not just for school, but for life. And here in our amazing media center, kids get to explore, learn, and just have fun reading. Join us as we explore the rest of our hallways. We get to see our hybrids outside, our playground, and so many other cool things that Parkway has here inside our building. Let's go.
Next, we're going to stop by our green hallway. Our green hallway will be home to our second grade students. Our computer labs are housed here, as well as our art class. We will also utilize the green hallway when students get off the buses in the morning. This is the main hallway that they will enter into to go to their other classrooms. So join me as we go along and walk down the green hallway and take a look at some of our classrooms. Welcome to our very cool computer lab. Here is where our teachers bring our students on campus to do additional research, and we also do our state assessments and some online district assessments in this room. The beauty of this is that we have 2 labs on campus, so when it's time for research projects or it's time for kids to explore and do additional assignments, we have 2 labs on campus that can accommodate students. We also have computers in every classroom so we can continue to do our research and extend our learning opportunities as much as possible.
Welcome to our magical music room here at Parkway. Every student is a musician. Kids get to visit with their class for resource every week. Right across the hallway from the music room is our red hallway, which houses our 3rd graders and our 4th graders. Next, we're going to head outside. We're going to see PE, which is our 4th resource, and we're also going to see the hybrids, which is where our 5th grade students will be. But first, we're going to play a little more here in the music room.
When you come out to our outside area, you will see to my left here where we will be housing our 5th grade students and our hybrid. And this will be a different change for them. Whereas if you remember before, 5th grade students were housed in our green hallway, but now we have moved into our hybrid area.
We have a beautiful outdoor area here at Parkway. We have a beautiful field over here. We have our recess area right around back over that way. Right here is where kids come out for PE, so they can come out here and play on the basketball courts. And we also have a covered area where students are able to play and learn and exercise for PE.
So in closing, we would like to say welcome to our new students that will be joining us at Parkway for the upcoming school year, and welcome back to our returning students. We hope that you all had a very safe, sound, and secure summer and are ready to return. Again, I am Mrs. Green, the proud principal of Parkway. Joining me is my very amazing assistant principal, Heather Belitho, and we cannot wait to see you guys in August. Thank you.